Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down product to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. All right, so today we're talking about the Bose SoundLink Max Bluetooth speaker. And if you've been asking yourself, is this product really worth buying at $399? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you're going to have a very clear answer. Let's start with the big question everyone has. What do the numbers actually mean in real-world use? The SoundLink Max measures 10.42 inches wide, 4.73 inches high, and 4.13 inches deep, and it weighs just under 5 pounds, or about 2.13 kilograms. So yeah, it's got some weight to it, but Bose designed it with a removable climbing rope handle built right in, which makes it super easy to grab and go. You can also pick up an optional rope shoulder strap separately if you want a hands-free carry option. Now here's where things get really impressive. This speaker packs 3 transducers across the front using what Bose calls their articulated array technology, delivering a genuinely spacious stereo soundstage that feels way bigger than the speaker itself. And then there are 2 custom-designed passive radiators working behind the scenes to push out bass that honestly defies the speaker size. Bose uses proprietary digital signal processing to minimize distortion. So what you hear is full, natural balanced sound whether you're listening at low volume indoors or cranking it up at a backyard party. And speaking of parties, why is this such a popular choice? 3 words: all-day battery. The SoundLink Max gives you up to 20 hours of playtime on a single charge, with a full recharge time of about 5 hours using the included 3-amp USB-C charger. That means you can start the music in the morning and keep it going well into the night without ever reaching for a power outlet. And if your phone starts dying mid-party, no problem. The USB-C port on the back lets you charge your device directly from the speaker's battery. Pretty clutch. Connectivity is handled by Bluetooth 5.3, with support for SBC, AAC, and aptX adaptive codecs. That last one automatically adapts up to near-lossless quality when paired with compatible Android devices running Snapdragon Sound. You also get Google Fast Pair for one-tap Android pairing, multi-point connection, so 2 devices can stay linked at once, and the speaker remembers up to 8 paired devices in memory. And if you're in a wired mood, there's a built-in 3.5mm AUX input on the back, great for turntables, CD players, or any wired source. Bluetooth range sits at around 30 feet or 9 meters, which was confirmed accurate in outdoor testing by multiple reviewers. Durability. The SoundLink Max carries an IP67 rating, which means it's completely dust-proof and can handle submersion in up to 1 meter of water for up to 30 minutes. It's also shock-resistant, UV-resistant, and rust-resistant. The exterior uses powder-coated, silicone-wrapped steel construction that looks premium and feels incredibly solid. This thing is built to go wherever you go. Want more control over your sound? The Bose app gives you a 3-band customizable EQ to dial in bass, mids, and treble exactly how you like it. You can also use Simple Sync technology to pair a second Bose SoundLink Max, either in stereo mode for true left-right separation or party mode to blast the same audio from both speakers simultaneously. The shortcut button on top can be customized for AUX switching or Spotify tap. And the speaker comes in 2 clean colorways, black and blue dusk. $399. The Bose SoundLink Max sits in the premium tier. Yes, it costs more than competitors like the JBL Extreme 4 at around $380 or the UE Epic Boom at $349. But the combination of Bose's acoustic engineering, IP67 protection, 20-hour battery, Bluetooth 5.3 with aptX adaptive, and that premium steel and silicone build quality makes it one of the most complete portable speakers you can buy right now. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. The product link is in description. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.